Do you love Maverick? Say, nice doggy. Nice doggy. Barkley's jealous. Nice doggy. Yeah. You are a nice doggy. Yeah. Yeah, doggy. So you know you have a good dog when your baby can climb all over it and he doesn't do anything but let her. Yeah, he's a good boy. Yeah. Nice doggy. Good girl. That's a good girl, Brielle. Nice doggy. Oh, here comes the kisses. Here comes the licks and the lovins. Yeah. You get in his belly? Mm-hmm. Yeah. He loves his rubs.